For owners of Android phone, Android Auto has become a must-have feature when shopping for a car. But there are some annoying things with wired, messy cable, unstable connection, repeated plugging and unplugging. You need to disconnect the wire connection every time you scan the QR code. Say no with these cable problems. Calling Key A2A will help you to fix these annoying things. Calling Key A2A is compatible with all modules that support wired Android Auto. Plug the A2A adapter into your car's USB or Type-C port via cable. Pair your Android phone to the A2A adapter via Bluetooth. Seamless connection when you start the car.
Okay Google, play some music.
Sure, asking Spotify to play some music.
Okay Google, navigate to Sports Park.